this in 4 hours, 3-4 hours. I'm about to go to Croatia. I took the chance to explore around Budapest. It's my first time here. It's pretty sick so far. Tomorrow I have a graffiti festival. It's actually a graffiti battle. It's in Croatia. It's by invitation only. It's gonna be 10 teams, 20 artists. So I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. I'm very excited. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy around here.
10 and 6. Yo.
And with the guys, we're waiting the driver. So let's roll.
Bellissimo.
My name is Davor.
Davor.
Mirko. Davor, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nicholas, nice to meet you, bro. Alright.
What are you gonna do?
I can sit in front if you want.
Okay, good.
Okay, that's our room. Cheers. Yamas. It's really good. I love it.
That's crazy, man.
We want it so bad.
There we go.
It was for him. He will be over. I swear to God, he will be over there making a tag.
I can't, man.
Always a good son. When you go to the hostels, you know, it's like you go there, there's a table with the croissants here.
Croissants and some salami. Yeah.
Always the salami and the very, very old chickens.
And butter.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the important part.
And a bowl of muesli or something. Okay, thank you.
And like pickles somewhere.
Yeah,
They say, what do I have to do with
And then they're like, okay, €20.
for the low?
Okay.
It's okay, guys. What? Super. Super.
Got the gun, got the wall. Let's do this.
Gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace. On his Ace. On record. On record. Gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace. Hey, hey, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace, gossip with Ace, gossip on with Ace.
All the best. The best.
Thank you, guys.
Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip, man. Thanks. Alright, so I finished my piece. It's actually like 4 o'clock. I'm getting so fast lately. Like I paint pieces in 4 hours, 3-4 hours. Pretty happy with the spot and the outcome. Thanks so much for the hospitality and having us here. We had a blast. Thanks for this spot as well. It's been amazing. Thanks for all the artists that show up today. So this is the final result.
Something's in the air.